which is the Senior C Mixed Standard Boat, round one. So the times from round 1, 2 and 3 are all added together for the final placing. So it's a lovely style of racing. And in lane 1, we've got Bayloon. In 2, we've got the Kindragons, Dragon Masters in 3, Brisbane River Dragons in 4, and the Power Blades will be coming out of lane 5. And that is in the progression here. So just the 5 competing here. They'll do it over 3 rounds. And as we've said many a times, every second counts in this style of racing.
The V Insurance Senior C Mixed Standard Boat. Started just aligning them in lane 1. Bayloon just getting themselves set. Other boats look steady at the start now. Thanks to V Insurance for sponsoring the Senior C division. Senior C Mixed Standard Boat. Under starters orders now. Or shortly.
We are ready. They've had the call, and in go the paddles to start the first round of the progression of the Senior C Mixed Standard Boat. Bayloon in 1, the Kindragons in 2, Dragon Masters 3, Brisbane River Dragons are in 4, and the outside lane is the Power Blades, who have started really well. Inside the Brisbane River Dragons in 4, they are going along with them as well. So it's a nice little start there. In 3, the Dragon Masters just a little bit behind. Kindragons and Bayloon alongside each other in lanes 2 and 1. Doing okay as well. So just some early indicators. Looks like after maybe missing a little bit, the Brisbane River Dragons now are starting to take up the challenge to the Power Blades on the outside. And in looking across the lanes 3, 2 and 1, this is a really good start here. So all these crews now are starting to warm into it, and this is going to be a good run down the 500 metres.
Robbie, this is absolute dragon boating royalty here, with form lines as strong as you will ever see. The Kindragons in lane 2, they were runners-up last year at Champion Lakes in Perth. The Dragon Masters, they're the champions from 2023. They're in lane 3. The bronze medalists from last year, the Brisbane River Dragons, are in lane 4. And over in lane 5, the bronze medalists from 2023 in Albury Wodonga. This is absolute royalty, and I think they're all getting led to the finish line by Bayloon in lane 1. These are the form teams right across dragon boating. It is the royalty.
And with this close racing over the 3 rounds, as we keep saying, every second will count here. And have a look through lane 1 here. Bayloon are coming through in good fashion. On the outside of them, we've got the Kindragons. Have a look over there in 4. It's the Brisbane River Dragons who are really taking it up to. And just keep an eye on the Power Blades over there in 5. They are storming home. What a finish we got coming up here, Bryce. In 1, we've got Bayloon and the Kindragons in 2. They might be nudging ahead. It's the Brisbane River Dragons in 4. Bayloon, throw a blanket over them. It is, 1 and lane 2. So it was Bayloon, Kindragons. It was so close. Out there, the Brisbane River Dragons in 4, Power Blades in 5, and the Dragon Master in 3. Bryce, that is way too close to call. We'll have a look back on this replay. If you're here live on site, put your attention to the big screen. Have a look at this replay coming up. You try working it out.
I think it's lane 1. Bayloon, I think, have held on, although Kindragons with their finish, the boat's just lifted. Let's rock and roll that a little bit, shall we?
That's dead heat material.
It certainly is. So we are in for an amazing 3 rounds in the V Insurance Senior C Mixed Standard Boat. And not far away, the Brisbane River Dragons and the Power Blades, who finished 4th, are in striking distance, less than half a boat length away. And the Dragon Masters, well, we know what a strong crew they are. The further and the longer the racing gets going, they get better. So this is an amazingly close category.
Yeah, as the crews go across the line, we normally mark them down, who we think unofficially have led, but I can't touch that. I cannot put pen to paper there, Bryce, on that. That's as close a finish we have